friends, for today's math journal page, we're going to need our true or false sheet. I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. All right, then we're going to cut off our numbers at the bottom. All right, and we're going to look to see if the number in our base 10 blocks match. So if it's the correct set. Let's look at the first one together. So I have 16 equals. Now I need to count my base 10 blocks to see if there are 16. So remember, I can count in two ways. I can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or I can count each blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 equals 16. That is true. Now, if I had 16 equals and I had 17 blocks, that would not be true. I would need to put it under false. So again, your directions are to read the number and then count your base 10 blocks. If it's true, put it under the smiley face, true. If it's false, put it under the sad face, false. All right, friends, do the rest on your own, and we will see you back here soon.